Yes, I'm back. Yes, we are making a journey. We continue with our journey with African music. This is the bass, and I use Kruger drum for this. If I could find the stick, I could follow that. You could see. All right. As usual, we're going to continue to add some stuff. African music, you do a lot. I have cowbells. I tie this so you can hear the feeling. Then I gotta use my primer here. I got a small primer. I got a big one. I'm gonna use the big one. So you can keep using all kinds of instruments here. I got a shake, maracas, cuero. It's very simple. Then you can keep adding to it. You keep doing that, and then I can decide to add my omele to it if I can find the stick here. I intended it for the song. All right, thank you. We do that again. I intended it for the song I want to write, "Soldiers of Love." I think it's getting popular now, as made popularized by Sade in England, and I want to do an African take on that and some other things. We'll continue in a short while. Thank you.